Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nos programmes offrent plusieurs langues. Veuillez visiter suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nuestros programas ofrecen varios idiomas. Visiten suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Naše programy nabízejí více jazyků. Prosím, navštivte suprememastertv.com/schedule.
Nearly 70% of deforestation in the Amazon is caused by cattle ranching. Scientists warn that if deforestation passes a threshold, the Amazon, the lungs of our planet, may never recover. The Amazon Rainforest, a jewel that must be treasured. Part 2 of 2. Continue watching to find out more.
Hello, cherished viewers. I'm Camo, the vegan green iguana, and I live in the vivacious rainforest in the Cooperative Republic of Guyana. We are grateful for all that you do to quickly reach a world vegan, and join you in prayer so that all lives may flourish in peace on our beautiful planet. Welcome to part 2 of a two-part series entitled The Amazon Rainforest, a jewel that must be treasured. The world's largest tropical rainforest, the Amazon, is one of Mother Nature's most precious and impressive gems. The awe-inspiring Amazon rainforest is truly spectacular for its exquisite beauty and its humble service to the local native population. It is the ancestral home to around 400 tribes and provides much-needed medicinal plants and food for these indigenous communities. The Amazon is also the planet's most luxuriant and diverse biological ecosystem of plants, birds, animals, and insects. "30% of the world's known species call this place their home, in addition to other life forms that have yet to be discovered by science. One in 5 known species of birds in the world reside in the Amazon. In addition to these 1,300 bird species, there are also 427 mammal species, over 400 amphibian species, and 378 reptile species, including us, iguanas. My Amazon community includes the likes of sloths, jaguars, river dolphins, macaws, anacondas, and glass frogs, and all of us call this region home. Some of my other unique neighbors are the capybara, the golden lion, tamarin, and the harpy eagle. Talk about diversity! The semi-aquatic South American capybara, who enjoys the Amazonian wetlands, is the largest living rodent in the world. The golden lion tamarin has beautiful golden hair and an outstanding mane. The harpy eagle is one of the largest surviving eagles. We green iguanas, also known as the common iguana or just iguana, are among the biggest reptiles in the Americas, and we thrive on a vegan palate. I sure love munching on the greens, fruits, and flowers of the forest. As we heard in part 1, the Amazon rainforest plays a pivotal role in the climate regulation of the entire planet. Interestingly, the rainforest is responsible for producing more than 50% of all rain in the Amazon area and also affects rainfall patterns in other countries, including the United States. Unfortunately, this magnificent rainforest has been facing a major threat for decades: deforestation. Every minute, more than 3 football fields worth of rainforest is lost, mostly to clear lands for livestock animal raising, as well as due to infrastructure projects, logging, and mining. Here we have a report from TV Brazil Gov on IBAMA, Brazilian Institute of the Environment and Renewable Natural Resources, operating against illegal deforestation in the Amazon rainforest.
Os 35 agentes do IBAMA e 25 da Polícia Militar Ambiental do Pará saem para combater o desmatamento ilegal da Amazônia. Os motores dos helicópteros são acionados e tem início a operação. De Santarém até o local da ação, quase 1h30 de voo, na maioria do tempo sobre a mata fechada da Amazônia. De repente, avistamos uma clareira.
Nesse momento, a gente sobrevoa uma área de reserva indígena. Foi aqui que a equipe do IBAMA localizou um acampamento onde é realizado o desmatamento ilegal aqui na região.
Quem estava no local fugiu por causa da fiscalização. Deixaram para trás lonas, marcas de pneu na estrada, que também foi aberta ilegalmente. Pousamos próximo dali, fomos até uma madeireira. No local foram apreendidos pelo menos 2.000 metros cúbicos de madeira.
Let's take a few moments to go outside and thank and pray for the life-giving trees that protect our precious environment. We'll be right back here on Supreme Master Television. Welcome back to the Amazon rainforest, a jewel that must be treasured, part 2 of 2. We iguanas are pretty big for lizards. I can grow up to 6 feet or 1.8 meters. For protection, I climb trees and I can change colors to camouflage with my surroundings. My skin is tough and my tail even drops off if caught. Don't worry, I can grow another tail if needed. But without the trees of the rainforest, I would find it difficult, if not impossible, to survive. Sadly, the loss of the Amazon rainforest already threatens the lives of all the animal and plant species, causing many to become endangered and even extinct. Nearly 70% of deforestation in the Amazon is caused by cattle ranching. The clearing of trees had led to the rainforest burning at a record rate. In 2019 alone, there were over 74,000 fires in the Amazon, primarily in Brazil.
17% of the Amazon was believed to have been destroyed as of 2018.
Scientists and researchers fear that this ongoing pattern of deforestation will push the Amazon over the tipping point if 20 to 25% of the rainforest is lost.
As a result, a dieback scenario could occur, meaning the Amazon would be incapable of sustaining its remaining trees and vegetation.
This would not only continue to destroy the habitat of countless indigenous communities and animals living in the Amazon, but also catastrophically impact our planet as billions of tons of stored carbon are released into the atmosphere, accelerating global warming. Scientists warn that if deforestation passes a threshold, the Amazon, the lungs of our planet, may never recover. Haoni Metuktire, chief of the indigenous Brazilian Kayapó people, gives a heartfelt plea to the urgency of this dire situation.
Convidamos você a parar o que você está fazendo, para parar a destruição, para parar o seu ataque nos espíritos da terra. Quando você corta as árvores, você ataca os espíritos dos nossos antepassados. Quando você procura por minerais, você espeta o coração da terra. E quando você derrama venenos na terra e nos rios, produtos químicos da agricultura e mercúrio de minas de ouro, você enfraquece os espíritos, as plantas, os animais e a própria terra. Quando você enfraquece a terra, assim, esta começa a morrer. Se a terra morre, se nossa terra morre, então nenhum de nós será capaz de viver, e todos nós também vamos morrer. Por que você faz isso? Você diz que é para o desenvolvimento, mas que tipo de desenvolvimento tira a riqueza da floresta e a substitui com apenas um tipo de planta ou um tipo de animal? Onde os espíritos nos deram uma vez tudo o que precisávamos, por uma vida feliz. Toda a nossa comida, nossas casas, nossos medicamentos, agora só há soja ou gado. Para quem é esse desenvolvimento? Apenas algumas pessoas moram nas terras agrícolas. Elas não conseguem sustentar muitas pessoas e elas são estéreis.
Mother Nature has blessed our beautiful planet with a protector in the form of the Amazon rainforest. We all depend on the Amazon as much as it depends on us. As its survival reaches a point of uncertainty, we must work together to protect the fragile lungs of our planet. There is little time. By switching to a vegan diet and an eco-conscious lifestyle, we can help halt the alarming rate of global warming and prevent further destruction of the Amazon rainforest. As such, we will help preserve the habitat, environment, and ecosystem for the native tribes and animals that call the Amazon home. Supreme Master Ching Hai has spoken on this urgent topic time and again, as in the following excerpt from a 2008 lecture in California, USA.
Everything is good for people if they don't eat meat anymore. So they should also quit it for their better life, better health, better environment, and saving this earth home for all to enjoy, especially for their future generation. If we don't do it now, the earth will be gone. Who is there to eat meat? The government can ask people that. The government have to explain to people that it's truly harmful now, and it's an emergency that people should stop eating meat. It's not a matter of personal choice anymore. It's a planetary. Life and death matter.
All information concerning the scientific evidence of climate change and its solution is in Supreme Master Ching Hai's book, From Crisis to Peace, free for download at crisistopeace.org. With thankfulness to the governments, organizations, and people working to protect my irreplaceable home, we pray that humanity quickly heeds the desperate cries of the Amazon rainforest, of the indigenous tribes, of all the living creatures, and of Mother Nature. May citizens around the world quickly adopt the compassionate, earth-saving, vegan way of life so that our future generations will have the opportunity to live in a blissful, harmonious world. It's been a pleasure to have you, gracious viewers, with us today. Coming up next is the Magic Elixir of Health with plant-based dietitian Juliana Heaver, vegan, part 2 of 2, right after Noteworthy News, here on Supreme Master Television. May heaven fill your days with joy and peace always, as we strive to be better stewards on earth and extend loving kindness towards all our neighbors and animal co-inhabitants.
Our programs offer many languages. Please visit suprememastertv.com/schedule and suprememastertv.com/NB.